Hi, everybody. Here's a little extra help for you on the directions for this do now for verbs number 1. So in this exercise, you're going to practice identifying verbs in a text. So just do your best. The assignment is for a grade, but in this class, everything can always be redone. So it's not like a test. You can always revise it later to improve your grade if you'd like to. So let's talk a little bit about verbs from the introduction. Verbs are one of the 8 parts of speech. Parts of speech are the types of words in our language. You might already know about nouns, like person, place, thing, or idea, and verbs, or action words. Verbs are words that are used to show action. For example, in the sentence, Marissa climbed the tree, the action being shown is climbed. That is the action done by Marissa. So climbed is the verb. Verbs are required in our writing. A sentence is not complete without a verb. A correctly written sentence must include a verb. However, a sentence may contain more than one verb. For example, in the sentence, Jason played basketball and rode his bike. Both played and rode are verbs because they are both actions done by Jason. So before I will let you go, let me just give you kind of a little hint here. You can do a verb. So for example, in a sentence like, the boy jumped. If I said to you as a command, as something to do, if I said the, how would you the? You can't the. It's not something you can do. If I said to you, boy, well, how would you boy? That's not something you can do. If I said jumped, you'd be like, oh, jump. That's something I can do. That's an action. That makes it a verb. So if you look for the thing in the sentence that you or something could do, that's probably the action. So be looking for that. And again, you probably have done verbs before coming in as 6th graders, but if you haven't, I hope that is helpful. So in the 10 passages below, identify the verbs, although that's actually not technically correct. In the 9 passages below, identify the verbs. And then the last question is actually more about like why we use verbs, which you can find out in this introduction, which you are reading and hearing about right now. But as always, if you have any questions, and you're not sure what to do, please just ask. That's why I'm here.